County in North. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southern Collin County in north central Texas, northeastern Dallas County in north central Texas, western Rockwall County in north central Texas until 7:30 p.m. At 6:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Bulk Springs, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. There are two storms capable of producing tornadoes. One just southeast of downtown Dallas, one near Bulk Springs. Both storms are extremely dangerous and moving northeast. This dangerous storm will be near Sunnyvale around 6:45 p.m. Dallas, Garland, Richardson, Rowlett, Rockwall, and Saxe around 7 p.m. Murphy around 7:05 p.m. Wiley, Lucas, and Parker around 7:10 p.m. Fairview around 7:15 p.m. Farmersville around 7:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include St. Paul, Buckingham, Nevada, and Lavon. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 35 east between mile markers 425 and 435. Interstate 20 between mile markers 475 and 481. Interstate 30 between mile markers 41 and 69. Interstate 45 between mile markers 280 and 284. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth.